Welcome to my newest listing, nestled up in the hills of Murrieta, where you can enjoy beautiful views of the surrounding Temecula Valley and the Santa Rosa Plateau. This home offers one of the most expansive floor plans with 6 bedrooms, including one on the main floor with its own ensuite bathroom. You'll also enjoy being in the guard-gated community of Greer Ranch with so many amenities, including a community pool, spa, clubhouse, walking trails, parks, a basketball court, and family-friendly events. I'm the tall gal with Realty One Group. There's so many things to love about this home. I hope you enjoy the tour.